Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Bree. Hope everybody had a wonderful Valentine's Day. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make lasagna rolls. So stay tuned, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you guys share this video. Alright, so of course here is all the ingredients you will need for this recipe today. First thing I'm going to be doing is adding my ground beef to a skillet, and I'm going to be trying to cut it up into like smaller pieces so that it's not all stuck together. And while I'm doing this, I have a pot of water boiling for my noodles. For my pot of water, I'm just going to be adding a pinch of salt and a little dash of olive oil. And right now I'm going to be stirring up my ground beef so that everything is cooking evenly. And of course, as you see me doing right now, I am just chopping the meat so that it is in tiny pieces and not big chunks. Then I'm going to be adding my noodles to the water, and I'm going to be letting that cook for about 20 minutes. These noodles are really hard to tell if they are cooked because an end can be soft and then the other end can be hard. And right now I am just draining my meat, and then I'm going to be putting it back on the stove. So I'm just going to be seasoning it with some Lawry's seasoned salt. Add as much or as little as you would like. This is just for your taste buds. Alright, so the first step is going to be adding some sauce to the bottom of your pan. This can definitely be optional. I just like to put the sauce at the bottom of my pan just to add a little bit more flavor. And then what I'm going to be doing is getting one of my noodles, putting sauce on top, and then I'm going to be adding my meat and then my cheese as you see. And then I'm going to just roll that up and create my lasagna roll. And there it is, your lasagna roll. And I'm just going to show you guys how to do this a few more times. And also I'm going to be showing you guys another method of creating your roll. This method does take quite a bit of time just because I layered everything one by one. The next option I'm going to show you guys is creating a mix, and it'll go by a lot faster. So as you see, I just put the sauce down first. Now I'm adding the meat, and then I'm going to be adding my cheese. Alright, so now I'm going to be showing you guys how I layered the top. I just put sauce over the rolls, and then I'm going to be adding my layer of cheese. You can put as much cheese as your heart desires. I love cheese, so I really went crazy while adding the cheese on this top layer. Alright, so the next thing I will be showing you guys is the second method that I was talking about. So here I just added my sauce into my meat, and I added about a tablespoon of sugar. And this way all you have to do is put your noodle out, and then put this sauce and meat mixture in, and then you just gotta add your cheese and roll it up. So now you don't have to do the sauce layer, the meat layer, and then the cheese layer, and then roll it up. This is a lot quicker. Here I'm popping it in the oven. And this is when it came out of the oven. And these are easy to cut because you can tell which piece is which because it's one roll. So it's a pretty good serving size. And here comes the cheese pull, and it looks pretty good. And here is it. You guys can see the layering of it, the spiral from the roll. Alright, and there you guys have it, my lasagna roll recipe. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so that you guys get notified every time I drop a video. Also, please share this video with your friends and family and get me to 100 subscribers so that we can continue to grow. Have a good day.